Hello everyone, I'm Andre McClendon and today I bring you Elrond. I will be sharing 3 simple things about this cryptocurrency, some market information, the news, and a price prediction at the end. Let's begin. We're on CoinMarketCap guys, and Elrond's ticker is EGLD. It's currently trading at the record of this video $310.45. They have a huge market cap of 6.12 billion. So there's a lot of players, guys, a lot of liquidity. So there's going to be options to trade and hodl positions in this crypto. But what is Elrond? Elrond is a blockchain protocol that seeks to offer extremely fast transaction speeds by using sharding. The project describes itself as technology ecosystem for the new internet, which includes fintech, decentralized finance, and Internet of Things, also known as IoT. Its smart contracts execution platform is reportedly capable of 15,000 transactions, 60-second latency, and with a transaction fee of 0.001 cents. So where can you get part of this cryptocurrency for trading or hodling? So they're in Binance, they're also in KuCoin, they're in Gate.io, Bitfinex, and also KuCoin, Liquid, and OKX. So if you guys are looking for on Coinbase, they are not on there, but they're on the other big exchanges, so you probably have to open up an account with them on their platform. But let's look at their ratings on Symmetry on this website. They have C+ ratings, so that's pretty high for a cryptocurrency. If you guys want to look at the report, please look at the description box below. I will have it there posted. Also, guys, let's look at some of the news on this cryptocurrency. So they don't have much news as of recent, but I have one article I want to go over, and this is also on CoinMarketCap. So they're actually doing a price prediction too. So if you guys want to look at their price prediction, I will have a link below. So please check that out. They also do different indicators that I use, so they have a different analysis to it. So check that out, guys. But let's check out their website. This is elrond.com. If you want to learn more about the cryptocurrency, please check out their website. Do your research. Be knowledgeable about what you're getting into, or not getting into. So also here's their Twitter. If you guys are looking for their social medias, please check out their Twitter. They post pretty regularly. They have a huge following, 372,000 followers. Also, if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, it's Andre J. McClendon. I talk about political stuff, trading, and business. And the last thing, guys, before the price prediction, is their Reddit. So if you guys are on Reddit, check out their platform. They post very regularly. You can talk to other people on here about this cryptocurrency. So now let's begin the price prediction. Now, guys, for this crypto, it's only been around for about a year and some change. And when you look at the chart, guys, on the monthly, trading this, to me, I missed so much of this, of the good entries. I will not be trading this. For me, if I was going to get into this cryptocurrency, I would just be hodling this position. And I'm going to kick it to the daily to give you guys a better explanation why. All right. So we're going to use the Fibonacci extension where it sits for the projection. Now, guys, the reason why I won't trade this because it's already taken off such on a long-term trend that trading this will put me at risk of losing my trade and also getting me to take another loss, or I don't like to do that when it comes to margin. So I'm gonna enter on a hodl position at the current market price since it's already trending. All right, so here's my first arrow right here, and a trending market is, to me, I love trends. The trend is your friend. And I'm gonna go to the 1.618. That's $352. That is my price prediction, guys, $350. But I'm going to talk about how I'm going to manage this trade, okay? So first, I'm going to enter at the current market price. If it does not hit this price immediately, and it does go down since it is, on this trend, it might have a correction. If it hits this easy bottom that's currently at this position right here, what I will do is do a buy limit, entering in on my next hodl position, and going for this current price here once again. Now, I'm not going to be doing any other entries since I'm buying such an expensive level and not buying at the cheaper levels how it was all the way down here. So since I'm buying expensive off the all-time record highs, I'm going to have just 2 entries and have the max for, if I was going to trade hypothetically, I'll have a max of 2.4% for my each trade. So I don't burn my entire account when entering. Because remember, trading is a business, guys. You don't want to burn your entire account on 1 or 2 trades, and then you have to refund your account. So once I do that right here, I have 2 entries. I'm going to exit some of my position at the 352 if it hits this second position. If it hits the first position right here for my first entry and doesn't go down here, all I'm going to do is take a little bit off the profits, because it's about $42 worth of profits if it hits that zone. So $42 worth of profits, I'll take some off, and I'll let that trade run as much as it can run. And I have a different exiting technique when it comes to catching. I can't catch a top. Whoever says they can catch a top of a market is quite impossible. I like to exit a piece here, a piece here, a piece here, a piece here, and take profits as it goes. Now, when it comes to hodling, guys, I like to make the same comparison I make in my other videos. If I had a job and my job paid me every Friday, I made $500 from this job every Friday, I'll take $100 each week, put it into Elrond, and I will stagger my entries in every Friday, for example. And if I do that, I remove the emotional part of trading. I remove all the FOMO stuff of trading, because I have a strict plan of entry and I'll have a strict plan of exiting. So if I lose on my trades, I know I didn't use risk money, I didn't use my life savings, and I plan for this stuff each way as it goes. That's how you guys want to do it. So my price prediction, guys, is $352.42. Any questions or comments, please drop it below. I'll have that conversation with you guys. But now let's get to my website. So here's AndreMcClendon.com, guys. I'm on the crypto section, the section that I just made. So if you guys are looking to talk to people about cryptocurrencies and stuff, join this. It's 100% free. You guys can look at some of the top cryptocurrencies, put this in the chart. Like, I already have Ethereum loaded. You can type in ETH and look it up on other different platforms, just so you guys can have a chart and analyze it at the same time. You guys looking at Forex or cryptocurrency, it's whatever. But have the chat in there. I'll be in there talking to you guys once you guys join. Well, that's the video, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.